Hello guys, this is how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. So without wasting any more time, let us jump straight into the video. So what you're going to go ahead and do first, if you do not have the Binance app, you're going to head over to your Play Store and get the app. And then once you have that downloaded, you're going to go ahead and open it. So you must be wondering why use Binance out of all the other crypto platforms. Binance just makes everything easier. The buying process is pretty straightforward. So once you get onto their homepage, you'll just see there's a whole bunch of Bitcoin right there, whole bunch of Bitcoin, whole bunch of cryptocurrencies. So what you're gonna go ahead and do in the search bar right at the top there, you're gonna type in BTC. If it does not show up, then you can go ahead and just type it out in full Bitcoin. It's that BTC. There we go right there. And once you head over to that page, you can see that it's trading at 36,000. Then you're gonna click on buy at the bottom there. You're gonna input your amount. Let's for example say we're buying $100 worth of Bitcoin. Just as a side note, before you purchase, just ensure that you have your account is funded. You'll notice when I click on Bitcoin, it's gonna give me options there. I could buy with cash or like a card, and I can also buy with Bitcoin. Um, yeah. So once you click on buy, the order should be processed, and then an email should be sent to you verifying that your buy has been approved, and the Bitcoin should be available to use immediately once you purchase it. So it is that quick and it is that easy to purchase Bitcoin on Binance. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.